MINI's multifunctional steering wheel now comes as standard across all models, meaning you've got a number of essential functions literally at your fingertips. There's cruise control to the left and to the right, your radio, basic audio functions and voice styling. It's intuitively designed so that hands can stay on the wheel with your eyes firmly on the road ahead. Now, on the subject of road safety, another of MINI's newer safety innovations is the head-up display. This clear screen can be optionally deployed and it projects all important information directly onto your line of sight, so you can see it without moving your focus from the road. Moving across to the central console now, the new Clubman is available with either a 6.5-inch or an 8.8-inch inbuilt touchscreen radio display unit with integrated Bluetooth connectivity as standard. Now, this one here is the 8.8-inch screen with Connected Navigation Plus, but we'll learn more about the MINI connected features a little bit later on.